Today I hope to explain you how to fix Samsung power button is not working. It is very simple. First of all, you can remove the display and back cover just like this. You can do using thin paper, thin plastic paper just like this. It is very smooth and carefully process. You can do it carefully. Now you can see it is removed. Now you can disconnect display just like this. You can remove internal nails just like this. It is very smooth and simple process. You can do it just like this. You can remove each nail because without each nail removal case is not removing with back cover. It is essential process. Now you can use a smooth pincer for this operation. You can remove nails just like this. You can disconnect each nail just like this, and each nail should be collected because sometimes it may be lost. It is very thin and very small nail. You can collect them just like this. After collecting that, you can remove SIM tray and memory card tray. You can remove back cover from the housing using a pincer just like this. You can do it carefully. This may take several times. You can do it carefully just like this because it is compulsory to get motherboard and connection. You can see here motherboard. You can disconnect some of line. Now you can see button here. It is small and smooth button. You can see it has small button connection. This is microscopic. You can see it using microscope, and you can attach soldering iron, heat. You can remove previously attached button, old button. Now I hope to clear circuit it again. You can attach some lead particles just like this for new attachment. After completion of that, I hope to select new button. I hope to add new button. Now I hope to attach new button for that because very difficult process because this is microscopic process. You can see I hope to do this using suitable microscope. I hope to attach button, new button again just like this. You can see attachment process. You can do it just like this. It is very smooth and careful process. After completion of that, it is compulsory to view each connection using microscope. I hope to attach both it again and again. After completion of that, I hope to clean previously removed area. Sometimes gum, glue coats and any other impurities may happen on the case. You can press and clean button area, physical button area. You can see here. I hope to clean again and again. Now I hope to attach that circuit parts, physical button and electrical button. You can see here it is completed. Now I hope to apply other particles just like this. You can see I have previously disconnected them that. You can see volume up, volume button, down button, earpieces, each particle should be attached very well. Now I hope to attach motherboard just like this. I hope to attach display just like this. I hope to power on display, power on the machine, power on the phone. You can see it is working very well. Now our testing is completed. Now I hope to attach previously removed nails and connections. I hope to attach each particles just like this, and I hope to remove glue cord just like this. Now you can attach previously removed nail using suitable screwdriver. You can do it just like this again and again. Each nail should be attached correctly. After completion of that, you can apply suitable glue coat just like this. It is essential process. After completion of that, I hope to attach main buttons. I hope to clean that each button. After completion of that, I hope to attach ribbons and display. Finally, I hope to attach rubber bands because glue coat fixing is essential. It is compulsory process. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. We are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new updates.